Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to attach a PDF file in Mailchimp. This is incredibly useful when you want to share documents like brochures, guides, or downloadable resources directly through your email campaigns. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to upload and manage your PDF files. After logging in, direct your attention to the left menu bar. Here you'll find several navigation options for managing your campaigns and content. Click on Content. This section is where Mailchimp stores all your uploaded files, images, and documents that you can use across your email campaigns. Once you're in the Content section, look towards the right side of your screen. You'll see an Upload button. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a file browser that allows you to select files from your computer to upload directly to Mailchimp's content library. A window will pop up showing your computer's files and folders. Navigate to where your PDF file is saved and select the PDF document you want to attach to your campaign. After selecting it, click Open. This initiates the upload process and begins transferring your PDF to Mailchimp's servers. Now you'll need to wait a moment for the upload to complete. The time this takes depends on your file size and internet connection speed. Once the upload finishes, you'll see your PDF appear in the content library. Click on the uploaded PDF to open its details. This gives you access to important information about the file, including its URL. Here's where things get practical. If you plan on using this PDF in an email campaign or want to link to it directly, look for the Copy URL option in the Upload status window. Click on Copy URL and Mailchimp will copy the direct link to your clipboard. You can now paste this URL into any text, button, or image link within your email campaigns, making it easy for recipients to download or view your PDF. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your PDF to Mailchimp and have its URL ready to use in your campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.